I'm about to install these. I'm so excited to see how bright this is gonna make my garage. Oh my gosh! Right here I have these amazing garage lights that you need in your garage. So let's just take a quick look and then I'm going to install these in the garage. This goes into an E26, E27 standard light bulb, so it's going to fit pretty much any one of them. These are so bright. Just wanted to show you what this looks like before we install this, and you can just angle these to where you want in the garage or just keep them completely flat. So let's go ahead and install this and see how much light these put off. All right, so that was very easy to put up. Oh my gosh! Do you guys see how bright that is? Wow, that is so bright. That changed the whole look of my garage into complete daylight. I don't know why anyone wouldn't want something like this. These lights are actually amazing. I can't wait to install the other one. And this also cuts down on 85% of electricity usage. So honestly, it's just a cost-effective way and lights up your space. Super easy to install. And this one right here is going to be the 160 watt. Definitely highly recommend. Don't forget to add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.